Hey guys, I'm in Errol, New Hampshire, and there's this amazing store called Cotes that's got all kinds of stuff. But I wanted to show you this animal display. This wasn't dyed. This is actually the way this animal looked in real life. It's very rare. Look at that little guy, Fisher cat. Bobcat. I'm expecting him to just start moving. Wolverine, which is not indigenous to this area. Look at this little cutie. Hi, little buckaroo. So obviously that's a beaver. Seeing that or that. And then this is cool because it's an action shot. Bucks will rub their antlers there because they have a gland there that scent marks it. Look at this. Owl. Caribou.